In this video, we'll be unboxing and setting up the impressive new Canon imagePROGRAF Pro 4600 large format printer. This 44-inch printer is part of Canon's updated Pro series, which is designed for fine art and photography, and it includes both 24-inch and 60-inch models. One significant improvement that Canon has made is that this printer is EPA-ET Gold rated, indicating it meets the highest environmental standards. You'll notice that the packaging is free from expanded polystyrene, which helps protect the environment. Additionally, the printer itself uses less power during operation and when powered off. Setting up the printer is relatively straightforward, but it does require some heavy lifting since it's quite a substantial piece of equipment. We'll start by building the base and then securing the printer on top. Next comes the fun part, removing all the tape. The Pro 4600 is equipped with 12-color Lucía Pro 2 pigment inks. One of the new features is the inclusion of crystalline wax, which enhances scratch resistance and handling capabilities. With the latest imagePROGRAF Pro 4600 and the newly reformulated Lucía Pro 2 ink, you can produce stunning results filled with vibrant colors or intricate black and white prints which make them timeless. We will now plug in the printer and add our Ethernet Connect cable. Power on your new Canon imagePROGRAF Pro 4600. Pick your preferred language, set the time zone, and other items the printer prompts you. Once you are done, the menu will ask you to open the ink bay and load the ink. You'll also notice a new feature in this model, light indicators above the ink cartridges and a translucent cover that makes it easy to see when the inks need changing. Canon claims that the newly formulated ink provides increased black density and improved color reproduction. The light-resistant pigments used in the ink enhance color fastness, ensuring that prints can be preserved for up to 200 years. The printer is now prompting us to install the print head. We will open the cover. The print head carriage has moved all the way to the left. Unlock the carriage. Once unlocked, it will look like this, but your lines will still be white. Remove the print head from the silver packaging. Remove the tape holding the head down. Remove the orange backing covering the ink ports. Please do not touch the areas in red. Install the print head with the ink ports facing toward the front of the printer. Lock it in place as seen here. Close the cover and follow the prompts on the display. The printer will start to prime the ink. At this point, you can go to your computer and download the needed driver and software. The printer will finish priming and then beep. You will now be able to load the media of your choice. We are using Paycor resin-coated luster photo paper. Another innovative feature is the printer's intelligent media handling, which automatically detects the media type, width, and length. The printer also includes a new interior LED light that makes it easier to monitor your prints as they come out. Now look at that Paycor resin-coated luster photo paper, producing a low glare and the highest whites for a wider color gamut. Call today to find out more about the products we carry.